The best AI search visibility tools. Search in 2026 does not look like search in 2022. A significant and growing portion of search queries, particularly informational and research queries, are now answered by AI systems like ChatGPT Search, Perplexity, Google's AI overviews, and Claude rather than traditional blue link search results. Now, users ask a question and get an answer directly, with sources cited below, of course. The implication for businesses and content creators is significant, and being visible in AI search requires thinking about your content differently than being visible in traditional search. Now, AI search visibility tools are the category of software emerging to help you understand and optimize for this new reality. Tracking whether your brand or content appears in AI search responses, understanding what AI systems cite when they answer questions in your niche, and optimizing your content to be more likely to be included in AI generated answers. Now, this video is going to cover the best tools in this category. Now, traditional SEO measures visibility as ranking position. Where does your page appear in a list of search results? AI search visibility measures something entirely different. Does your brand or content get mentioned? Does it get cited or recommended when an AI system answers a question that's relevant to your business? Now, when someone asks Perplexity, as we all know, a question like, what's the best project management tool for a 10-person team? Okay, so we're going to do just that. What's the best project management tool for a 10-person team? Now, we went ahead and asked Perplexity. Now, Perplexity is going to generate an answer. Does that answer mention your product? When someone asks ChatGPT the same question, does it appear? Do you appear? Do the categories appear? These are new metrics that traditional ranking tools don't measure, and the percentage of searches going through AI mediated responses are large enough that ignoring this channel is increasingly costly. Now, the tools that track this are still maturing, but several have established themselves as a meaningfully useful for brands trying to understand and improve their AI search presence. Now, first and foremost, we have BrandWatch. Now, BrandWatch has extended its media monitoring capabilities to track AI search mentions specifically, scanning responses from major AI search platforms to identify your brand, products, or content is cited. Now, the reporting shows mention frequency by platform. The context of the mentions is your brand being cited positively or as an alternative to be considered and trends over time. Now, for enterprise brands with established AI search presence, BrandWatch's analysis provides the measurement layer needed to make optimizational decisions. Now, the platform's strength is its historical depth and reporting sophistication. The weakness is cost. BrandWatch is priced for enterprise budgets, and you can find this on their website where you're going to see the huge amounts of pricings that they give you. Moving on, we have Peak AI. Now, Peak AI is another great tool. It is a purpose-built AI visibility tool that tracks brands mentioned across AI search platforms, including ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google AI Overviews, and Claude. Now, unlike general media monitoring tools, Peak's methodology is specifically designed around AI citation patterns. It runs structured queries across these platforms and tracks which brands are going to appear in the responses. Now, the platform's dashboard, it's going to show your AI citation rate, by query category how your computer or compare against competitors on AI visibility and which specific queries are generating mentions or falling to generate them. For mid market brands that want AI search analysis without enterprise pricing, Peak is currently the most purpose fit option available. Then moving on, we have another great tool, and this is the one that you all have probably heard about. It's called SEMrush. Now, SEMrush is basically something that has added a AI over tracking to its platform, specifically tracking Google's AI overviews, identifying which queries trigger an AI overview rather than traditional results, and monitoring whether your content is cited within those overviews. For brands whose primary AI search visibility concern is Google specifically, SEMrush's AI overview tracking is accessible within a tool they are likely already using. Now, the limitation is that it focuses on Google's AI overviews rather than broader AI search ecosystem. For a more complete picture across platforms, it needs to be combined with other tools. Moving on to our next tool, it is called Authority Taz. Okay. Now, Authority Taz has built AI search monitoring into its specific enterprise SEO platform and correlating them with traditional SEO metrics. Now, the correlation analysis showing whether high traditional rankings predict AI citations or whether the two measures diverge is particularly useful for understanding how to allocate SEO effort in a world where AI search is a meaningful portion of the search landscape. Okay, and finally, you can also manually audit with Perplexity. So, for smaller operations without a budget for dedicated AI visibility tools, the Perplexity workers can do well for you as well. Now, AI search visibility is a new and important measurement category that traditional SEO tools don't fully address. Now, Peak AI is the most purpose built option for most brands at accessible pricing. Brandwatch and Authoritas serve the enterprise segment. SEMrush's AI overview tracking covers Google specifically, and structured manual auditing provides a starting point for smaller operations. Now, regardless of the tool, the underlying priority is quite the same: understanding whether your brand appears when AI systems answer the questions your customers are asking, and building the content authority signals that make AI citation more likely. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.